Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom's not here, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how to cook the perfect pasta. The Italian staple that brings comfort to millions around the world. But achieving the perfect al dente bite can seem like a culinary mystery. Fear not, aspiring pasta chefs. I'll show you how to consistently cook pasta to where it's both delicious and very impressive. All right, we have 5 quarts of water in this 8-quart pot. You know, salting the water is very crucial when you're cooking pasta. It seasons the pasta from inside out, creating a more flavorful dish. I like to salt my water as soon as I put it on the heat. This way I don't forget, because I forget sometimes. How much salt? You know, I see some chefs, you know, on videos and sometimes on TV cooking pasta. They only put a pinch of salt in. That does not flavor the pasta at all. Aim for about 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon. Trust me, it won't be too salty. Now, when the water comes to a full boil, you're ready to cook the pasta. Now package instructions are just guidelines, and they're just that, they're guidelines. Depending on factors like the type of pasta, the size, the thickness, that will significantly affect the cook time. But remember, the taste test is king. About 2 minutes before the pasta is ready, begin to taste a piece of it to achieve that al dente texture. What does al dente mean? It means to the tooth. This means pasta should have a slight resistance when bitten into. Don't overcook it. Overcooked pasta becomes real mushy and it loses its flavor and texture. All right, we're gonna start cooking some penne. Now, depending on the type of pasta that I'm cooking, that determines the type of utensil I'll use to stir it. When I typically make short pastas, like of course this penne or ziti or rigatoni, I like to use a wooden spoon. Sometimes those metal spoons, they could tear the pasta. Now for spaghetti or fettuccine or linguine, or those long pastas, I like to either use tongs, a long fork, or this spaghetti spoon. I think that's what they call it. All right, the pasta is just about ready. I am going to go ahead and reserve a half a cup of this water. This stuff is liquid gold, full of starch. It can be used to thin out sauces and create a smooth, silky finish. Let's give it a taste test here. A little hot. Perfect. It's only been cooking about 12 minutes, but this pasta is perfect. All right, we're gonna go ahead and drain it. And whatever you do, do not rinse the pasta. You'll remove all the starch from it and the sauce won't be able to cling onto the pasta. I made a nice vodka sauce earlier. Go ahead and put the penne right into this sauce. You want to be sure to mix your pasta with the sauce as soon as possible to prevent the pasta from sticking. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and add some Parmesan. This is Parmesan Reggiano. Oh, look at that. Look how that sauce clings onto that penne. Beautiful. And now I'm going to add some of this reserved pasta oil. Just do a little at a time. You don't want it to become a watery sauce. Perfecto. Oh, that pasta looks gorgeous. Some Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Penne alla vodka. Let's eat. All right, let's taste this al dente pasta. Oh man, look at that. The perfect one. Incredible. Now that's a beautiful pasta. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, if you'd like to help support our channel, we sell Brooklyn Brothers merch on brooklynbrotherscooking.com on our website. We'll have the link in our description. All right, so go forth and conquer the world of pasta. And we'll see you guys next recipe. Ciao.